Hello everyone, welcome to the market analysis video for tomorrow. So as you can see that Nifty has almost reached to its all-time high area. If you see that in a daily time frame, so it has break that all-time high area and now sustaining to the 19,996. It has touched the 2000, the 20,000 level as well. In 15 minutes time frame, our analysis was 19,864 above buying and 19,986, which was the previous high. It was our target, and if you see in 15 minutes time frame, when the first 15 minutes candle given breakout, I have taken a positions. I have taken a small quantity over there just because the market is all time high area. So here I have continuously I have I have not traded in options here. I have traded in future and book a quite money, quite a lot of money over here. Almost 7 to 8% interest I have make from here. In the bank nifty as well, I have not traded in bank nifty, but our analysis was 45,372 have 45,000 488, and then the 45,742 was our target. It has reached almost towards our target 50%. The first target it has been hit, and the second target almost 50% we have achieved, but not reached 45,742. If market open flat tomorrow, then it also can continue its rally if the global sentiment is good. Similarly, in the Nifty finance as well, in the second half, you know I have said that 20,238 level was important. Market has, after a gap of opening, consolidating in this range, and in 15 minutes time frame, when the market has multiple time taken support from here, so about 20,260 I have taken a short position in options over there, and also here make a good amount of money in the last at the closing time. And similarly, we have discussed Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, I have not traded over there. Kotak Bank, I will discuss that for tomorrow. Similarly, if you take the Reliance, our analysis was above 2440, above 2461, then 2483 was our levels. After the first candle, it has opened somewhere around 2453 in this range. After the flat opening, it has rallied, but it is mostly stayed flat, not a good momentum so far it has happened. But for tomorrow we can add on watch list, and I will discuss that as well. Take Mahindra, we have discussed, it is totally sideways, so no trade has been initiated over there. Jindal Steel, we have discussed we have discussed it for selling, but no sale has been activated, so no we have not traded over there. Similarly, ACC was also, we have kept for selling, but not happened selling over there. In the Bajaj Finserv as well, our analysis was above the trend line, we can plan for going long, but it was totally sideways, and below that breakdown our plan was selling, but no selling has been activated. Now for let's start freshly for tomorrow. I am removing all the drawings, and first of all see in daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, if you see, it has break the all-time high area. And why it is important? It is important because of, see, after making a base around 19,200 to 250, it has all given one-sided movement. You will not find any small alt candle, small red candle over there. So that is little bit of worry I have in my back of the mind. So instead of that, everything is good. Our global sentiment, sorry, our sentiment, internal market sentiment is good. In the global market will decide tomorrow where market is going to open. It should not be open a gap down. That's all I can say. If gap down, if it is open gap down, then all the patterns, all the bullish pattern will be turned into a bearish one. Then M kind of pattern can be activated. So if market open flat or little bit gap down below the last closing, below the today's 15 minutes time frame, we will find a level. It should not be open below 19,930. Okay, whatever happens, if it is open below that, then further selling can be possible. Then all the people who have carried position from here, or some of them are taken in the second half at the market closing time, all of them will be trapped, and then further selling can be possible. Good amount of selling can be possible. So that's why 19,940 to 930 in this range, it is very important to watch out. Okay, so for buying in a nifty, I will you know stay a little bit of so far. If market make any price action tomorrow at the market hours, that's good, but so far I will avoid buying in the Nifty. I will, I will want to see how market is performing at the all-time high in this area. But yes, 19,930 is a zone where below 19,930 we can plan for selling over there, and below that 19,868 to 19,815. All these are levels for tomorrow. I'm not saying the market sentiment will be negative, right? See, and market is at the top. So for buying, I would prefer Bank Nifty moves. So for selling, I'm just discussing the level that 19,930 is a very crucial point now. If it is not happen, it is break that range, then M kind of pattern will be activated. Okay, so this is for simple analysis for Nifty. For further buying, you should wait if market open flat or a little bit of gap up in this range above 20,000 above if it is open. So let market first make 15 minutes candles breakout or breakdown, and above that only initiate. Okay, so now moving towards our next index, that is bank nifty. So I am also removing all the drawings and moving towards the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you will find out it has some more space to go in upper side. Similarly, in the bottom side as well, it has 44,400. It has given almost one-sided rally we have seen in the bank nifty. So in 15 minutes time frame to 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame will be the you know best for analysis. So today it has closed somewhere around in this range. Okay, 20,000, 46,000, 45,600 in this range it has closed. So, but for me, the range is the space so far it has is 45,756. Okay, this is the zone to watch out for Bank Nifty. If market open flat, then we can plan for long, further long, and 45,756 is a zone to watch out very carefully. If it is break that zone, then our next target will be somewhere around 46,200. This is the target of us, and in 15 minutes time frame, you also can find out the level. The zone is this is our zone. So above the breakout of that range, let me mark that with the box so you will understand the better manner. So 45,618 above. If market taken support from here, then 45,756. I would say you should book your profit if anyone of have you any long positions. Then watch very carefully what is market is doing. Then 40 according to the technical patterns, next target is 46,271, and but if you know 46,000 is a main important area, is a psychological number, so that also can create some hurdle as well. Now moving towards Nifty Finance. Oh, sorry. Let's discuss about for selling side if it is give us any opportunity. So for selling, let market make the pattern, then initiate any trade. Don't just don't just imagine or the patterns on your mind. Let market first have to say that yes, I'm taking rejection from here. Then only initiate your trade. From the sale side, 45,373 to 45,250. All these zones will be our important support. So further selling only can be possible below the breakdown of all these ranges. Okay, so far there is no sentiment for selling side. Selling side Nifty will be more preferable, and for buying side Bank Nifty is more preferable. So you can plan accordingly. Now moving towards the Nifty Finance. In Nifty Finance, if I move towards the daily time frame, also it's like bank nifty, it has more space to go. Now 20,377 is a zone to watch out very carefully for nifty finance. And see, this is the level to watch out, 20,373. Here like like bank nifty, if anyone of you have holding long, you should book some of your profit over there, or trail your stop loss somewhere between above the buying price. So about 20,007 337 above, the zone is somewhere around 20,627. Okay, so this is a very important resistance for fin nifty, but below that also 20,500 is a psychological number, so market can take support, take resistance from there as well. And similarly for selling side, 20,200 is a zone. Below that selling will be activated. Below 20,200, 20,080 will be our next support. Okay, and below that 20,000 will also important zone to watch out, psychological number. So you also have to be very careful somewhere around. If market shows profit booking, 20,000 will also can act as a very good support area. Okay, now this is, we have done nifty, bank nifty, nifty finance. Now Kotak Bank. Why I have taken Kotak Bank? Kotak Bank we have discussed above 1800 you can plan for long. If anyone of you have carried your positions, okay, it is well and good, but in 15 minutes time frame, if you see, in Kotak Bank is making this kind of patterns, this triangular kind of patterns, and it is totally squeezing now. So tomorrow, if it is break 18 till this level, if it is break, then we can expect very good up move somewhere around. Let me see 1 hour time frame for better understanding. Kotak Bank actually, the next target will be 1813. The first hurdle it may can say somewhere around 1813, and above that Kotak Bank is going to trade 1832. See, one thing I have to say, for further get up move, uh, Kotak Bank has to lead. Kotak Bank, Bajaj Finserv, and EGPC Bank have to lead. See, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, it is almost trading. If you see ICICI Bank, it is almost trading in all-time high area almost. I think no, it has some space to go. So I have 980 also. ICICI Bank also can move to 1,000 level. Axis Bank, if you see, very good up move it has given, and trading in all-time high area. So let's quickly come back to the Kotak Bank. In Kotak Bank, this triangular pattern breakout, we can initiate our trade. 1813 will be our first target, and above 1813, 1832 will be our next target. Okay, so Kotak Bank is very important for, if market has to rally further, then the threshold you should get from Kotak Bank and Reliance and Bajaj Finserv, because all these three major stocks are underperforming for for a few days. If you talk about the Reliance, first of all, see that the daily time frame Reliance from the 2400 levels, it has the semiconductor news has came that it is going to work in semiconductor sector with Nvidia in a trial partnership. So in Reliance also 2580, this is a very important support resistance area. Okay, previously the breakdown was happened from here. So 2580 is the zone to watch out. If it is break that level, we also can plan for long in cash as well. Okay, then 2540, 2560, all this level can be achieved in a very few days, right? So Reliance also you can add on your watch list for tomorrow as well. So if it is break 2580, I am removing all the drawings. So if it is move towards the 1 hour time frame, so if it is break the 20 uh, 580, this level, if it is break, then further up move can be possible in Reliance. Similarly for selling 2466 is a zone to watch out. If it is break that zone, then further selling uh, can be possible over there. Then 2450 will be the zone which will act as a very good support for Reliance. Okay, so both side movement can be possible in Reliance, right? 2567 below, 2450, 2467 below, 2453, and 2480 above. You can also plan for long in cash as well as in you can hold in option as well for intraday basis. Don't trade in options for positional basis. If you have, if you can trade in future or option trading, then you can go. Otherwise, hold simply in cash. Okay, so both side movement we can expect in Reliance in above the breakout area buying, and similarly if it is break that zone we also can expect intraday basis selling over there as well. If we get any selling in this range, it will be good for us, right? It will be good for us. Why I am saying good for us? Then after the retest, if it is started moving upward, it will be, we will get our stop loss will be very low, right? If you buy now in cash, then our 2450 will be our stop loss. But if it is retest 2466 somewhere around here, then started moving, then our stop loss will be very low for Reliance. Okay, so we have discussed Reliance, we have discussed Kotak. Now moving towards some IT stocks. See, IT stocks, if you moving see in the 15 minutes time frame, it is making first of all see in the daily time frame first. So it is a zone where TCS has taken multiple time resistance 3487. Our analysis will be very simple. If it is break that level 3487, 3518 will be our next target. But if it is start taking resistance from that range, if you see uh, you know last 15 minutes, the halt calculators make, but the volume is very high. Okay, so further selling also can be happen if it is break 3462 62 this level. If it is break that range, so further selling also can be happen. So like Reliance here also we can expect both side movement. So 3460 below 3436 will be our target here, and below that 34 34 14 3400, all this level will be our target. And for upper side 3487 above 3518 will be our target for TCS. Okay, so we have now the next stock that we are going to discuss, that is Bajaj Finserv. Bajaj Finserv I have discussed in the daily time frame, in the last video. So removing all the drawings over there, it has just making a halt candle today, right? So our analysis will be very simple. In 15 minutes time frame, if it is break that high 1555, there are two three possible analysis we can do here. 1555 is sorry, 1555 is the zone. Similarly this trend line will also act as a support area, and from the top you also can draw these patterns. So if it is break 1555 as and break 1550 and 1555 all this level, so further up move we can expect over there in Bajaj Finserv. And I have already said that you can also hold that in cash as well. I have not holded it, but tomorrow I will try to take some position in cash as well. So yes, Bajaj Finserv you also can take some positions. 1585 will be the next target for the Bajaj Finserv, and above that 1600 is a zone to watch out very carefully. Both side movement we can get a very good movement we can expect over there. Similarly 1539 we have mentioned that in last day video is a zone to watch out very carefully. If it is break that level, then 1525 will be our next target for Bajaj Finserv, right? So we have discussed Bajaj Finserv, we have discussed Kotak, we have discussed TCS, we have discussed Reliance, and L&T also you can add on your watch list. So if you move towards the daily time frame, it has trading at all time high area, and now it has totally making inside kind of candles pattern. So this is the high and this is the low. So you can see the analysis and you can trade in the upcoming days for L&T. So further up move we can get above the breakout or breakdown area, very good target we can after the consolidation of this range. If I mark the range is somewhere between almost 1.86%, right? If we get almost same pattern, if we get above the breakout 2980 will be our target. Similarly after the breakdown 2819 will be our target. 2823 will be our target. So both side we can get a very good candle over there. Just wait for the breakout or breakdown LNT. So but the first support it can take from 2848, the gap it has, and below that 2820 will be our target. Similarly, above that breakout area, after the swing high, if it is break and retest that level, the swing low will be the stop loss, and above that 2980, 2980, 82, all this level can be traded in upcoming days, right? So LNT we have also discussed for tomorrow. So maybe LNT will not work tomorrow. It will take some time for more consolidation. So for upcoming days, of course, it will help. Okay, guys. So that's all for this video, and I am going to share some swing stocks as well. And as you know, whenever I possible, I will make the video and upload that quickly. So that's all for this video, and have a good day. Best of luck. Bye.